Before going in too deep, let's familiarise ourselves with the layout of the System tab within a project. The System tab is where we access all the devices in our design. And running along the top, we can see we have the processors on the left and the external I/O and amplifiers on the right. Clicking on each will bring up the main editing pages. The first in line is the MRX7D, and I'll come back to that in a minute. For the MTX devices, we get a screen that will be familiar to many digital mixer or DAW users. All the inputs and outputs with their parameters to edit. Clicking on the smaller areas like pan and EQ will open up more detailed editing pages associated with that parameter. Then, there are further boxes where we can access screens for the input, matrix, zone, router, output, effects, DCA, and the I/O parameters. On the MTX 5D, there's an extra tab if you're using an MY4 AEC echo cancelling card inserted into the device. If you do, then parameters to edit this card will appear here. In the external I/O tab, you can do a number of things. In the WIDIF area, you can choose to place any number of outputs onto the WIDIF stream to be sent to other devices downstream, such as an amplifier. In the analog section, you can patch your output channels to the 8 physical ports on the rear panel. Then finally, in the Dante patch area, you can route to and from any device on the Dante network. Remember to click Edit to allow any changes to be made. There's also a box labelled Preserve the Dante settings configured in Dante Controller. And what's this all about? Well, if you're using just Yamaha CIS devices, such as these, then you can do all your Dante patching from this editor software. If you're incorporating other devices, such as a QL1 mixer, or Dante microphone, or a Nexo amplifier, for example, then you'll need to patch it all inside Dante Controller, and then tick this box, and it will import the settings to use inside MTX MRX Editor. Moving further along the tabs, we have the parameter access for the EXI and EX08, and then finally the amplifiers. Now, I said I'd come back to the MRX7D. Let me explain why. If you recall, the MTX devices are fixed architecture, so the editor can display all the parameters for you. The MRX7D is freely configurable, so there's nothing to see until you build it. To create a design in MRX7D, there's a self-contained software inside MTX MRX Editor called MRX Designer. It's a blank canvas which we'll explore in detail in a following video.